What's up, everybody? Z to the O to the E. Hey! Okay, that's weird. Hey everybody, Zoe here. I am having a birthday bash here at Halo, aka one of the coolest parts of San Diego to fly, if you know where it is. And I have friends coming over to fly some batteries and kill it for my birthday. That's right, a birthday bash underneath an overpass. Can't get any better than that, unless you're, at least if you're a drone pilot. Otherwise, it's probably not the best place to have a birthday. Anyways, guys, come along for the ride. I'm gonna show you some 3D fun, probably some fun moments of everything. And oh my gosh, he brought me flowers! Yay! Hey! Aww.
There you go, young lady.
Thank you.
You are so welcome.
Thanks for bringing the table. I'm actually more excited about the table than the flowers. Yee! No, it smells good. People are showing up. This is so cool. Like, moving out here like a year ago, I didn't really know anybody, and now I have at least enough people, and there's more people coming to hang out and have like a birthday party underneath, again, an overpass. So yeah, this is turning out to be a good day. It's only gonna get better. So let's play some batteries, have some fun, and kill some packs.
It seems that sometimes I'm stuck upside down. It seems that sometimes I'm stuck upside down.
Okay, so a little bit of a small break. I have this. This is an Airhogs Supernova. Has no controller and flies by itself. So you put it on the ground. It initializes, I think. Yeah, it's initialized. And then, no. No, that thing sucks. Let me try that one more time. So the wind keeps pushing it into the fence. We kind of lost it earlier, so they're there to grab it just in case. Throw test. failed. Let's give it one more shot where I'm not like jamming into the air. There he goes. Oh God, why is it going so high? So it's flying on its own? No, 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 no. No. It's kind of working. No. Force push. No, no, no. So yeah, this is a piece of, I'm not buying this. And that's my official first Will It drone.
It's a piece of
If you have a really big house, this might be okay.
Is it supposed to detect the walls?
Yeah,
with
so it has
sensors.
Hold it. So it has sensors on these little red points.
Yeah.
So if you put your hand near it, it'll actually fly away from your hand.
Okay.
Then it has a sensor underneath to detect the altitude.
Well, it should detect when it's going way the hell
I know,
up there.
that's the scary part. So yeah, indoors in a big house. Small house, no. Oh, no, 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 no. I forgot to turn it off.
Did you just pick up on its own?
Yeah.
It's a good catch.
Well, I think we still have a few years before Skynet takes over. Now back to flying.
Movement was my only tell. Running through the door yelling, what the hell? I'm moving while you talk and talk. Don't talk shit, you gon' break your jaw. Movement was my only chance. Full speed ahead was my only plan. I'm moving while you talk and talk. Don't talk shit, you gon' break your jaw. I'm moving, I've been on the run. Somebody better help me, son. I'm moving, I've been on the run. Somebody better save me, son. Who cares if you trace my same steps? Some days I wake up brain dead. Hook me up on life support. Would somebody tell me what I'm fighting for? Same shit, still hits, now I'm running up. Same shit, rising, I'm coming up. Same shit, still hits, now I'm running up. Same shit, rising, I'm coming up. I'm coming up. My movement's coming up. Bitch, I'm coming up. My movement's coming up. Movement was my only tell. Running through the door yelling, what the hell? I'm moving while you talk and talk. Don't talk shit, you gon' break your jaw. Movement was my only chance. Full speed ahead was my only plan. I'm moving while you talk and talk. Don't talk shit, you gon' break your jaw. I'm moving, I've been on the run. Somebody better help me, son. I'm moving, I've been on the run. Somebody better save me, son. I speed up, I go faster. No shit, I just roll right past ya. Hook me up on life support. Would somebody tell me what I'm fighting for? Same shit, still hits, now I'm running up. Same shit, rising, I'm coming up. Same shit, still hits, now I'm running up. Same shit, rising, I'm coming up. I'm coming up. My movement's coming up. Bitch, I'm coming up. My movement's coming up.
Hey, okay, so that was a lot of fun today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the flight edit. I know I had a lot of fun flying. It's been a great birthday. Like, a lot of people already left, but we had about 10 people out here hanging out underneath an overpass, flying drones, and it was a lot of fun. Like, good way to spend the birthday, a great way to have fun, and honestly, kind of makes me stoked because I moved out to San Diego really not knowing people, and I've got friends, I've got community. And it's only been like a year. So to all my friends out here in San Diego, thank you guys. I love your faces. And to all of you at home, I'm glad I got to show you a little bit of a glimpse of my birthday. So yeah, see you on the next video. COE out.